I'm so happy to have you join me today. Welcome to class. Today, we are going to discuss about something called coding. Do you know what coding is? Alright, I will need you to pay close attention as the class progresses. If you want to make amazing technology, then you need to learn how to work with computers. See, so many things in your everyday life have computers in them. Your phone, your laptop, gaming system, cars, watches, and more. But no matter the size or shape of a computer, it won't do anything unless it is programmed, and that's what we mean by coding. So, what is coding? Can you tell me what coding is? Now listen carefully. Coding is a term for computer programming. Coding is a process of using a programming language to tell the computer to perform a task. We have so many programming languages. Programmers use one or more programming language to give the computer instructions on what to do. Though computers can do many things, but they cannot decide on their own. They have to be told what to do and how to do it step by step. Do you still remember the meaning of coding? Coding is the use of a programming language to tell the computer what to do. Simply put, we can say coding is the act of writing instructions that computers can understand. These instructions are called codes, and a document full of lines of code is called a script. A computer script is a list of commands or instructions that tell the computer what to do. Because computers on their own are pretty dumb and can't do anything unless given instructions. So now, let's look at the benefits of coding. Coding is a basic literacy in the digital age, and it is important for you to understand and be able to work with the technology around you. One benefit of coding is it helps to improve communication. Yes, coding helps to strengthen communication and verbal skills. Coding also helps to strengthen and boost confidence in kids as they learn to solve problems through coding. Coding is also very engaging and it teaches children how to think. And as such, it improves their memory and boosts their brain power as they get to communicate their ideas in the computer. Kids who code understand the value of planning, which results in better writing skills. Because guess what? Computers are pretty dumb. So you need to think systematically and plan your instructions before giving it to the computer. And by doing so, your writing skills is being improved. And as kids keep coding, they develop problem-solving skills that help relate to the world in general. And so they can overcome any adversity in the world. Coding helps kids visualize abstract concepts and let them apply maths to real-world situations. So coding helps kids develop math skills. And as kids keep coding, they can encounter challenges and difficult tasks. And as they keep on coding, coding helps to develop perseverance and resilience in them. This is the ability for them to keep trying and again, even when faced with difficult tasks. Coding also helps kids program robots. Using a coding app, you can give the robots commands and watch it execute the commands. Interestingly, coding helps kids create their own games using a visual block platform. It allows kids develop their own games from scratch using a kind of instruction called the blockly. And these help them create games, apps, and more. They are a really good place to start. They are designed to be fun and easy, but they are also designed to be tools that you outgrow. And as you give the computer instructions, you can create your own games, animation, or stories. Using a Blockly, you simply drag and drop and snap your blocks together. And we have different blocks with different instructions. We have blocks that help to make things move, blocks that help to change how they look, and blocks that make sounds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
With coding, kids learn through experimentation and it allows them to be creative. With coding, you can go anywhere and you can create whatever your imagination can think of. Coding explains the world around us because computers is involved in almost all aspects of our lives, from communication to education to social media. Coding explains all of this to us. Coding is fun because with coding you're learning a new language. Almost every job right now requires some form of computer literacy. So, if you learn how to code at a young age, you will have more job opportunities available to you in the future. So this brings us to the end of today's class. I believe now you can define coding and also state the importance of coding. See you in my next class. Bye.